Good Wednesday morning. This is meteorologist Dean Davison from the Weather Pros and Responding Fire. We're talking about the weather over the next couple of days. We're going to start off with severe weather threat because it's being pretty dangerous over the next couple of days. This will be for people that actually follow me north of Roanoke. We're not saying that Roanoke won't see severe weather, but places like Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, areas in New York are going to be in for a pretty rough day, especially on Thursday, and we'll show you that here. But today we have a moderate risk here in the Midwest. You can see Chicago's pretty much in this marginal risk. Damaging winds, main threat, tornadoes deck here in this marginal risk. So then we move, like I said, or something in Pittsburgh and everything. Now we move to the next one. This is tomorrow. This is where it gets violent. We get two spots, the Midwest where the tornadoes outbreak could be, and also some tornadoes could occur. It's enhanced risk that's going to be in Scranton, out to Harrisburg. That area is going to be under the gun for severe weather, and that go to Philadelphia and all those areas. There's going to be damaging winds, tornadoes, and hail potential. It's pretty good shot, and especially, like I said, in the areas of Pennsylvania where this will all start. Let me continue to move on, and severe weather is known as a ring of fire type pattern. So basically, it's going around the high pressure system. It's here. Let me show you this. The high pressure system. I'll show you how that works. High pressure system sits down here, and it blocks very well. So that's why we've been in hot weather. We're going to be in hot weather for a while, and basically, every storm system will roll around this high pressure system. So the areas out in here will get all the bad weather while you're protected for the most part in that area. But when those storms pop in that high pressure zone, it can be really nasty also. So just a little update on how that works, why we see severe weather in certain areas and not say here. But tomorrow is one of those days, and being Thursday, that could be interesting around here. Then there's a whole nother, let me pull this back, day 4, another threat of severe weather. This is 4 days out, so this is still outside of the thing for Pennsylvania again and New York. So these places are going to continue getting pounded, and majority of it's too low. Once this high breaks down, we're going to get more severe weather. But right now we're in a lot of heat, and that's what we're going to show you here on the thing. Here's your storms that develop tomorrow. As you still see, and there's two separate things. Here's storms. Here's some storms out here, and they're violent. They're violent, very violent looking after they get this area right here along this line. That'll continue to move, and the violence will continue. As you see, like as the storms could pop in Virginia, so don't. And this is not all 100% always accurate, so don't always go by this is going to be what's going to happen. But look at Jersey; they get just pounded over Burlington County. Look at that supercell too, or a couple of supercells into a linear complex. Just a pretty rough day tomorrow. We're now go over to the GFS, and we'll talk about temperatures. Now look at temperatures. That was last night. We're getting to today. Today's not so bad. Mid-80s. This is just continue to get worse. 89, 90. So you get all this hot air. And this is just going to continue. Look at it. Every day, just continuously going to get very hot. And by the time we get to Sunday, it starts to get extremely hot. We're talking about closer to 100 degrees in some of these areas. And this just is a continuous thing. Next Tuesday, nearing 100 in a lot of locations, and this is May. So finally, it looks like by Thursday into Friday, we will get knocked. This will get knocked back into the 70s and 80s, but until literally a week and a day away, 8 days of heat and humidity for the area. It's going to be hot. It's going to be humid. So severe weather is a threat, and the heat definitely is an issue. So keep with the Weather Pros and Responding Fire for the latest information. Meteorologist Dean Davison, thanks for watching.